accounting department. And the next one we have the control document department. Everybody come in. Ayun po, baka pa kayo ng miyembro nito. Dito po, sinilang sa harap. Ma'am, dito ka lang, ma'am. Dito po. Next department, we have HEO! Next one we have the accounting department.
Nakasal na, pre. Tama na. Nakasal na.
Wow! Mga doon ang nasa accounting or ay magandang gabi po. Mga Maria Clara. We also have the engineer department. Followed by the architect department. Hi sir, sige po. And the next one we have from the site operation. Thank you very much. And the last one we have HR department.
Ang sexy, ma'am. Ganda. Wala sasaulin. Dahil bongga.
Wow, ito Maria Clara sa HR. Sa lahat po ng